get it together. I'm trying. I'm teaching myself. I do like sitting up high, and I do like the white interior. I'm smiling right now. I just have to really decide if I want the white interior, if I want the black interior. Ultra silver. I keep saying that. Why do I keep saying that? Ultra red with black interior is going to be nice, but I think the black interior would look nicer with the ultra silver instead of the, oh my goodness, I don't know why. Okay. The black interior is going to be amazing with the quicksilver. White interior with the ultra red. Ultra red, white interior. Quicksilver, leave it. Basic, black. I am in chill mode. We're at a red light, turn green. They didn't see me. I was trying to get their attention. He's always so nice to me in the pizzeria. It's okay. It's a new year. Happy New Year. It's a new year. Happy freaking New Year, everybody. I love you guys. Please subscribe, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button. I was just looking to see if I spilt any coffee in the car. Great Neck, New York. I made it. I made it here. And if I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. Can't say I didn't make it, because I sure as shit did. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.